What's up everyone? So tonight it's the first time I'm gonna join a Facebook group, car meet. The Facebook group page name is Low Life Standard, I think, and they're hosting a car meet tonight at Rhode Island. It's pretty cool that there's groups now in Rhode Island that does car meets, but I'm gonna head there. But of course the car ran out of gas because GUZILLA just always drains all my money. I'm glad I got Sultan coming along today with me to the car meet. Shit, I still can't do it. Keep messing up car meets and car shows. Anyways, now I got my official sticker onto the car. It's in chrome color. So when you see this, it's me. It's me. The Popo is here. Popo! Alright, Franco here, my bro. He's doing me a huge favor. So, as you guys know, the Armytrix was on and I did a video about it, but I've realized that I never really did a video after I did the Armytrix downpipe, which actually increased the sound for the car. So I'm gonna do a pure sound video. I'm gonna rev it and I'm gonna drive it off the road. It's pretty cold outside. Sorry for the noise, that car just drove by, but I think it's perfect timing right now. But anyways, before I do that, thank you to Low Life Standards. That car show today, car meet, was great. Not something crazy, but I mean it was good. It was just a good meet. We got popos everywhere back there, but it's pretty cool. So keep it up, guys.